Hello, friends. This is Dr. Hema, MD in Homeopathy from Mumbai, having more than 2 decades of experience in homeopathic treatment. Today's topic is laryngitis. Laryngitis is the inflammation of the larynx, commonly known as voice box. Voice box is situated at the top of the trachea. Trachea is the windpipe, the respiratory airways. So it is situated at the top of the trachea in the form of vocal cords. So where the vocal cords are a form of two folds of tissue which produces sound, which helps us to speak and say something. So there are two types of laryngitis, acute and chronic. The causes are due to viral infections, most of the times due to common cold or flu, bacterial infections. It could be very rarely due to fungal infections, and it could be overuse of voice or related to professions like singing, acting, yelling, screaming, loud singing. It could also be due to lot of use of smoking, a lot of time smoking, and it could be due to acid reflux, where the acid flows from the esophagus and cause problems in the larynx. The symptoms are due to overuse of voice. There is pain in the throat, there is dry cough, there is change of voice, loss of voice, could be hoarseness of voice. And diagnosis is very simple. It could be symptomatic by knowing the symptoms, or you can use the laryngoscopy, which helps in the viewing the internal throat, which shows edema, the swelling of the vocal cords and the surrounding organs. And the treatment part is very simple. If it is acute laryngitis, it is normally self-limiting due to it helps by voice rest, or it could be after 3 to 7 days of air hydration, humidification. So that helps. Now comes the topic of homeopathy. How do you treat chronic laryngitis with homeopathy? So you take a detailed case history of the patient and try to understand the causes behind it. And according to the cause, the causes are common, the physical causes, but the mental causes are different, as homeopathy takes the nature of the person. So these are angry people who are irritable most of the times, and there is some lying suppressed anger inside which they are not able to speak up. So they try to show us in the forms of swelling of the larynx. The family history has the genetics of losing their voice. If they have anything problem, there is change in the voice, so immune system needs to get strong. It could also be very due to a lot of times due to anxiety and fear, where they have to continuously try to explain or make people understand at your personal or at your professional level, and you feel more anxious and fearful about it. So these are the mental causes of laryngitis. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me on the number flashing on the screen. And if you like my channel, please share and subscribe. And homeopathy gives fantastic results. Once you get treated with homeopathy with chronic laryngitis, it gives you permanent results, and your immunity of the vocal cords becomes strong and healthy. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for all your love.